Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about GoPro and GoPro batteries. So I got this new battery from this brand, Patona. It's a German brand. So this is the first non-GoPro battery that I got. So I'll show you the... Sorry, my GoPro just started recording. So these are some of the ones I had before. So these are from GoPro. I actually labeled them. So this was number 3, and these were in addition to the original one that came with the GoPro when I got it. The issue I'm noticing recently with the original one is that it will charge without any problems. However, when you use the camera, it will freeze or it will shut off completely, and then when you turn it on, it will show a completely different percent for the battery charge. So let's say it's at 87%, and then you're recording, the camera will freeze, will shut off, and then when you turn it back on, it's going to show 3%. And later on, if you give it some time, then it will show again the correct percentage. But it's really inconvenient because if you want to record in that moment, it's gonna show as if you don't have any battery left. So yeah, I was trying to find batteries from GoPro again, but you can find them. I mean, maybe, actually no, I checked on their website and they were out of stock. So yeah, I got the GoPro in 2020, so it's 5 years now, and same as these ones, 2020. So 5 years is a good run for these batteries, I would say. And this one, actually, I'm not sure if you can tell, it's a bit swollen, so I didn't use it anymore. I didn't want it to explode or anything. I'm not sure if I did a video on this before. I guess you can see here. So yeah. And when I got these, I actually got this dock for charging the batteries. This is coincidentally from the same brand. So yeah, and I'll show you what happens with this one. For example, this one doesn't charge anymore. So, and this one has USB-C and micro USB. So if you want to use it for charging, so it's ready to charge. So this is the original one. This one still works, but it works, as I explained before, with some faults. So this is what happens when you're charging. So it will show red while it's charging. And then this is the one that doesn't charge anymore. So it will just show this kind of flickering. So yeah, this one was the first one to go, I think, and then the fat one. So now I won't be using any of them, basically. So let's get on to this one. Sorry about that. And by the way, this was 21 euros. And it's about the same price if you get it on their website, probably. They have different ones. This one is the platinum no limit, and it's 1250 milliamp hour battery, so same as the GoPro ones. I read some reviews that they don't actually hold that much charge, or they seem to lose charge quicker than the original ones, so I guess I'll have to see. So I'm not sure how much charge this one has. Let's test it with the camera, and otherwise I'll charge it. Okay, so 71%, so that's good. And this is the GoPro not working sometimes when I want to switch it off. Okay, and there you go. So now it's charging, it's showing red. So when it's fully charged, it's gonna switch to green. So yeah, that's pretty much about the battery. If this works fine, I probably will get another one to have a spare. So it happens when you're out and about and you're recording, and then you run out of battery. So it's nice to have a backup. I do bring a battery bank with me most of the time, so I actually did charge the GoPro, like plugged in, while I was not using it, so there's that option as well. But definitely it's better to have a backup. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll let you know how this one goes. See you in the next one. Bye.